I've got these, I think they're agate that have been treated with, or cracked and then dyed. So I don't know how this is going to work because I haven't made one like this in a long time. And I thought I had one out here to show, and evidently I put it up because it's not on my desk anymore. So this may be a complete failure. These are 16 inches of square, dead soft, 20 gauge wire, and it is, I think, red brass. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to find the middle of our shorter ones. And I can't get this in the screen because it's just too long. So, as we work, you'll see. Alright, those are my long ones. I'm going to try to find the center of my shorter ones. And then we're going to take it and wrap it around. I haven't done this probably in 20 years. There used to be a program that somebody showed how to do this. So I don't know who it was. It's years ago. Some YouTube channel. I don't remember. And I think there was an Instructable or something that had one showing how to do this. So you just make a cross in the back. I'm going to turn it over that way. Make sure they're together and they're like this. Alright, then you take your bead, not bead, but it's a cabochon. And while we're here, let's see. This one is right at 40 millimeters. Yeah, close enough. And then well, I don't have it in there. Alright, 20. 40 by 20. So we're going to set that there. I want it sitting that way, I think. It's been a long time since I made one of these, so I might mess it up. You want to come across. Like that. You want to come across it. Hold it. And go up like that. And then you're going to take the other end while you're holding that. Take the other end. Go across. And that one down there. Have it like that. Right. It's been a little while since I've done this, so come across and go up. So you'll have it looking like that. And this wire's a little stiff, so started to do it in copper. Alright, now. Can't remember if I do the top or the bottom first. Well, it'll work out either way. Alright. You take it and you put a curl down here. And hold it and go around. Bring it up to the top. Alright. Now, I'm going to hook it around this wire. Probably not right. It don't look right. I think what I wanted to do. Let's straighten that back out. Go up. That wire is in the way. Should be tight like that. And bring it around. Now, I'm going to put that's the short one. Alright. Those two will probably be our bell. Alright, take this longer one. Go across. Hold it down and wrap it around. And do a little curl there. I think that's where I messed up. Bring it down. Pull that up a little bit. I'll do a little curl there. Let's go into the bag. Well, let's untwist this one. Alright, now I'm going to take it. Wrap it around. I'll have to do another one of these out of copper because this is stiff wire and it ain't cooperating. But I didn't think the copper would look good on this. It's been a long time since I made one of these, and I don't remember exactly how I did it. I have to look at my old computer and see if I still have a file on it. We'll take this and we're going to go over that with what I hope will be a tight little curl. And then what I'll do, see if it was softer wire, that wire would stay together a little bit better. But it's wanting to separate. So what I'm thinking about doing is, this is square wire, and I'm gonna go here so I don't mess that curl up, and go around. And we still have our curl here. And then I'm gonna hold it here. See if these will work better. Where? Hopefully I can get them to cooperate. I'm turning it the wrong way. Tighten it down. And put a twist in it. That's why I like the square wire. And then we'll loosen it up. Don't look like it got enough twist there. Tighten it up. Okay. Now I'm going to take them across. And we could hook them down here, up here. But I think down here would be good. Take them down like that. And go across the bead, or the pendant. And we're going to hold them where we want them. Try to get them close together. Then bring them down here. And bend them. Then I'm going to clip them. So we won't be needing those anymore. And tuck them up in there. So that's that one. So now we need a paintbrush. there. And it'd be like that. Take this. Wrap it around. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to bang that down. And we're going to cut it here. So we've got a clasp on the back. It's a big one, so you could fit anything through there. And now I'm going to do a little twist. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but put it there. And I'm going to bring this up to get rid of this wire. And go in there. Tuck it up in there. Keep sliding off. Get it up in there. And turn this one. Go up under. Well, not exactly how I used to make them, but it'll work. And there's our pendant. Thanks for watching. And I'll lay flat once. Let's tighten that down a little bit and make it a little flatter. Alright. Well, it ain't exactly what I was planning, but I'll have to use some copper wire. It's softer than this, and try it again. It's been a little while since I've made one like that. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a good one. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.